Okay, Chief, we have seen go social media lapha kuthiwa you were presented with a gift with a wife. That's what people are reporting.
Okay bantu bakithi, njengoba selibhizi lapha ku-social media lisithi hey, inkosi yamaNdebele le yasezimo kanjani nikeze itshitshi lase-South Africa. eZimbabwe kula matshitshi azalwe ebukhosini, this and that and this. Okay fine, ngifuna liyimamelisise inkosi yenu ikhuluma, andiselizwe ngabantu, ngifuna kuphuma emlonyeni wenkosi lizwe kahle ukuthi kwenzakaleni kungayenzakalanga. Kodwa kusalayo yo lizomphatha kahle yelubhona. Asifuni ukuthi sebexabana libe sesithi kwere limbize kibo noma ivakashelele. Ngithemba la uyezwi yelubhona ngeke siyithathe le simunye singama-Africans, okay? Yeah. Kodwa la inkosi kade bengekho yini abaseZimbabwe. Ngiyadlala nayo indawo inkosi izokhuluma ne.
Maybe wanted you to set the record straight with what's the situation.
Siyabonga baba Ndebele. Izolo it was a beautiful day. Amakhosi abuyile ngobuningi babo, different delegations showing culture, and yesterday bekufanele kuvule amanala abakwaNdebele njenganamhlanje kumele bevule ngeFriday. But because of isikhathi abasafika ngesikhathi, so izolo bebetshengisa iculture yabo, bebetshengisa imvunulo yabo. So what they did not present a gift, because at the same time I don't think it is a good way to say a person can be a gift in this day and age, and a princess for that matter. So they did not present a person, but she was carrying a gift that she presented to Chief Dagamela and the family, and then they wished to but when siyafisa ukuthi hayi sithi sibuya next year sithole sokule nkosikazi kumbe sokule nkosikazi kumbe sokule ndlovukazi, kungayisikho ukuthi bathi sebenginikeze umuntu yena muhle sifile mhlawumbe abantu yikho abakufisayo ukuthi kuphume. So msomela ibe indoda ngizama ukuthi nxa kuyikuthi yikho kufunwa isizwe sizama ukusondela khona phana, but akapresentwanga as a gift. Kulelungelo lakhe lokuzikhethela umuntu amfunayo apresentwe as a gift. So yeah, mbona the situation ekhona ukuthi hayi lokupresentwa i-gift not a person. So thanda ukuthi khonokho abantu bebekwazi, and also izifiso zikhona ezika-amukela ukuthi abanye bafisa ukuthi hayi ngawe uyabuya lapha ebabambeni koDagamela, uzasukela kuye lokhana enhlizweni nalami ngingasukuma njengendoda nisondele.